This video is brought to you by Factory Direct Trains. Visit factorydirecttrains.com and check out their wide selection of model railroading products and supplies.
Hey everybody, it's Jimmy from the DIY and Digital, and I've got a quick preview of what's coming up this week and next week on my channel, plus a quick tip for you guys.
So this week on my channel, I've got the rules for the 5,000 subscriber contest, plus a quick review of an Arduino Mega starter kit, so you'll definitely not want to miss that. Then next week, I'm going to be doing a little bit of demo on my old layout. As some of you know, I am getting ready to build a new layout because I'm in a new house and I want to salvage as much as I can from the old layout to save money. And I'm going to show you guys how I remove the Kato Unitrack from my old layout. So that's what's coming up this week and next week. And now, on to the quick tip. My quick tip this week pertains to layout size. Now, we've all seen those really huge, amazing layouts that people have put years, if not decades of work into, and they look absolutely amazing. Now, that being said, you don't have to build a big layout to have a lot of fun. If all you have is a small shelf, then build an amazing switching layout. If all you have is a little 2x4 section of wood, build you a nice little N-scale loop with some industries. The size really does not matter of the layout as long as you are having fun. And that's my quick tip for this week.
If you haven't already, go ahead and hit that subscribe button, hit that like button, and hit that bell icon so that you don't miss any updates or quick tips like this video. Until next time, I'm Jimmy from the DIY and Digital. Happy railroading!